Kraftigt snöfall och hård vind ställer till det.
Vilken helvetesstorm det är.
Vädervarat orange. Otroligt mycket träd som har blåst av.
Det ligger träd bokstavligen överallt.
On the 20th of November 2024, the worst snowstorm in Umeå's history struck, leaving more than 5,000 of our customers without power in freezing conditions. Fallen trees severed power lines, cutting electricity and communications, and testing the resilience of our community. As a municipally owned energy provider, our mission is clear. Everything we do for the people of Umeå. During the storm, this promise guided us. We faced immense challenges but stayed focused on restoring power and supporting our customers. With many traditional communications channels down, we implemented a crisis strategy built on 3 principles: transparency, proactivity, and compassion. We spoke openly about the challenges we faced, ensuring trust through honesty. We reached out directly to customers and through the media, offering updates and reassurance. And above all, we leaned into the power of community, coming together with our neighbors to weather the storm. The response was extraordinary. Neighbors lent support, customers shared gratitude, and our employees found renewed pride in our mission. The storm transformed a crisis into a moment of unity and hope. Our open and empathic communication echoed across Sweden. 177 articles and broadcasts, a reach of 22 million people, 41% of storm coverage featuring Umeå Energi. And most importantly, the residents of Umeå's overall positive impression of Umeå Energi increased by 6% after the storm. Our most important brand attributes increased between 20 to 27%. The lasting impact was clear: strengthened trust, a renewed sense of purpose, and a brighter future for our community. When the lights went out, our community lit the way.